Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the regulated exchange, is set to replace Binance as the world's largest Bitcoin futures and perpetual futures exchanges. With a notional open interest of $3.54 billion, CME is now the second largest Bitcoin futures exchange, up from the fourth position seen weeks ago, according to CoinGlass. Notional open interest refers to the US dollar value logged in the number of active or open contracts. Keeping the top spot is the offshore unregulated exchange Binance with an open interest of $3.83 billion, that's 8% higher than the CME. Open interest in CME's cash-settled futures contracts recently surpassed the 100,000 BTC mark for the first time on record. Similarly, the CME's share in the BTC futures market rose to a new lifetime high of 25%. CME's standard Bitcoin futures contract is equivalent to 5 BTC, while the micro contract is sized at 1/10 of 1 BTC. For Ethereum, the contract size is 50 ETH, while micro futures are equivalent to 1/10 of 1 ETH. As per some observers, CME's ascent is a sign of an institutional-led rally.
On-chain data may be indicating that Bitcoin whales are accumulating aggressively. A cryptocurrency expert named Ali claims that in only previous 5 days, Bitcoin whales have bought over 30,000 Bitcoin or almost $1 billion. The Bitcoin Spot ETF application appeared to have boosted the appetite for Bitcoin among whales and institutions. According to statistics recorded by blockchain analytics company Into the Block, the number of transactions executed on the Bitcoin blockchain involving a transfer of at least $100,000 worth of Bitcoin reached a year-to-date high of 23,400 last week. The price of the cryptocurrency crossed the $35,000 threshold last week, hitting its highest level since early May 2022. Since then, the cryptocurrency has fluctuated between $34,000 and $37,000, showing 107% rise year-to-date. This month, price have reportedly jumped by 27% due to increasing demand for haven assets and confidence about spot ETFs.
Imagine a big forest. I'm sure you're picturing a dark, deep and enchanted forest. But if deforestation continues, this forest will only exist in our dreams and imagination. Well, in an effort to help save the world's natural forests, Al-Walid Philanthropies, which is a Saudi Arabian NGO that initiates, supports and collaborates on projects around the world, is hosting a virtual event on Decentraland. Al-Walid Philanthropies and the World Scout movement have joined forces to promote forest protection and environmental sustainability. Scouts from across the world, as well as the general public, have been invited to navigate through a virtual forest, learn about the repercussions of deforestation, and take part in the Metaverse's first forest plantation event. Within the first 3 days, the Decentraland platform had 26,500 scouts and planted 610 trees. The number is still growing as the platform remains open to the general public for the next coming weeks. Participants can also interact with interactive exhibits, meet with like-minded persons, and learn about actionable activities that can be performed to safeguard our treasured woods in the virtual space. The event follows on the success of Al-Walid Philanthropies' campaign to combat cyberbullying and discrimination in the metaverse, with Al-Walid Philanthropies now committed to tackling climate change and deforestation through its Decentraland Metaverse platform. Well, that's all in this story. For more such updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.